Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to do another video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about personal finance and business finance and passive income and dividend stocks. If you're new, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get my frequent updates. Okay, I'm on the Chili Davis YouTube channel. As you can see, the community board, I posted that on Friday, the stock market was closed for Good Friday. And also the market will reopen tomorrow, Monday morning. In today's video, we're going to just talk about Vanguard, a couple of ETFs, or exchange traded funds, which means it's a collection of stocks. So as you can see, I post frequently here on the community board. My most recent post was talking about the jobs growth number on Friday, and also the stock market over the last week, some of the gains I've made in Apple as well as Microsoft. Okay, so this is my community board. Please follow it from day to day and click the notifications so you get those frequent posts I make. Okay, so the ETF we're going to talk about today is Vanguard. Vanguard is for people who basically want to invest and they want to get the benefit of the technology, the S&P 500, and your standard Dow. So you can purchase Vanguard stocks on platforms like Robinhood or even TD Ameritrade. Okay, so if we take a look for technology, they have an ETF called the VGT. Okay, it's called the VGT, and this is a collection of stocks of just technology. Okay, here we are looking at the Vanguard Information Technology Fund. As you can see, its ticker symbol is VGT. Okay, so VGT you can purchase on Robinhood. You don't have to purchase on the Vanguard site. Now, within the Vanguard Technology Fund, it's 90% technology. Okay, technology stocks, which include Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Visa, MasterCard, Broadcom, Cisco, and a number of other technology companies below here. Okay, so if you own the VGT, it includes Apple, Microsoft, and other great technology stocks. Okay, so this helps you balance and diversify. So VGT is if you're looking to be in the technology. If we look at the VGT fund for the last 3 months, the VGT fund has gained a lot of momentum. Over the last 3 months, the VGT fund has been up over 17.47%. Okay, so this is the VGT fund. If you're new at investing, I recommend you take a look at the VGT fund. Okay, and that is by Vanguard. And then the next stock we will talk about, or ETF, will be the VOO. Okay, here we are, the VOO. This is the Vanguard S&P 500. So this is the top 500 stocks in this exchange traded fund. As you can see, the ticker symbol is VOO. And you can buy any amount here on Robinhood. Now, if we look at the last 3 months, the VOO has not been up as much, 5%. But if we look at over a year, the VOO may get up to as much as 8%. Now, within the Vanguard Exchange Traded Fund, there's not just technology. There's 24% technology. Okay, it includes Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, but then it includes some other stocks that are not all technology. It includes Exxon Mobile and United Health and Berkshire Hathaway by Warren Buffett's fund. Okay, so Warren Buffett's fund is Berkshire Hathaway, okay? So in the S&P 500 is a collection of stocks, which are the top 500 stocks. And this ETF covers those top 500 stocks. And the last stock or exchange traded fund we talk about is the VTI, which is the Vanguard Total Stock Market. Okay, we have the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. And over the last 3 months, it's been up as much as 3.86%. Not much different than the VOO, okay? If we look at the last month, it's only been up as much as, actually it's been down 0.11%. So not even down. It's pretty much I would consider it's flat. But let's see what's in the VTI, okay? And the VTI has 24% technology, 14% healthcare, and 14% financial services. This would include banks. Now let's look at the top 10 holdings. Still includes Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and also includes United Health, okay? So again, some of the top 500 stocks are in the Vanguard Total Technology Fund. Now, it's a little bit more stable than the Vanguard S&P 500, but a good stock ETF to be in is the VTI, okay? It doesn't have as much volatility. If we look at the year, the VTI is actually down 9.46% over the last year. But remember, when you're investing, you want a dollar cost average. You want to buy on the dips. And if you have to sell, you want to sell on the up days, okay? But if we look at the last week, the Vanguard, which is the most stable fund because it has a mixture of total stock market, you want to sell on these up days, okay? But in general, you want a dollar cost average. So if you're investing $50 every 2 weeks, you can do that here on the Robinhood fund. Okay, Robinhood platform allows you to invest in stocks and ETFs, as we talked about tonight, which represent much of the stock market. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF is ticker symbol VTI. And so this is the best way to get started in the stock market. The Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is the VOO. This is the top 500 companies. So this is the second ETF you want to invest in. And lastly, you want to invest in the Vanguard Information Technology Fund, which is denoted by the VGT, okay? So these are the 3 top ETFs I'd recommend. The Vanguard Information Technology, the VOO, which is the Vanguard Top S&P 500, and the VTI. Again, stay tuned on my channel for quick updates. As you can see, I posted last week. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.